In this lesson we will focus on finding below Arabic alphabets in Quran.
Okay, letter Ghain. Okay, letter Ghain. Letter Ghain has a dot on top, okay? Let's go. But letter Ghain is really tricky. Sophia, are you ready? You have selected such a good player. This knows how to do hide and seek very good, okay? So the Ghain can hide like this, or the Ghain can hide like this with the head. Sometimes a full Ghain is hiding. Okay, full Ghain is how? This is a full Ghain. Sometimes the head of the Ghain. And sometimes the Ghain has its special way to hide. Oh my God, you know what it does? It does something very tricky. It can put its head down, Sophia. Look, this is Ghain. Ghain, put your head down. Ghain can put its head down. Ghain, head up. Ghain, head down. Ghain, head up, head down. Head up, head down. Okay? So now the head looks like a triangular head. Now this is the key. Triangular head. Okay? Let's go find the Ghain. A dot on its head. Okay, and let's go find Ghain. Okay, sometimes there's not even a single Ghain. Is there a single Ghain in this sheet? Sometime, okay, let's see another sheet. Oops, not that one. Okay, come on. Do I see a Ghain here? Okay, Ghain is not a very common letter. Okay. One more sheet. Let me try to find it in one more sheet. Okay, come on, come on. Sophia has really selected a really tricky letter, but we will find it.
It's doing it again.
Okay, no problem. So, Sophia, let's choose Ain and Ghain. Okay, Sophia, let's choose Ain and Ghain. Guess what? Ain and Ghain are both twins, I would say, and they do the same thing. Ain can hide with its head down also, Sophia, okay?
Wow.
But the difference between Ain and Ghain is, so this one is Ain, and this one is Ghain with the dot, okay? So let's try to find any one of them. Okay, let's go, Sophia. Okay, Sophia, let's find the Ain first, okay? Remember, the Ain and Ghain are twins. This one has the dot on the head, and they hide in the same way. They put their head down, and it's a triangular head, okay? So let's go and find the Ain first, okay? Let's go find it, the sticky bubble gum, okay? And we'll be done very soon. Okay, Sophia, I see a triangular head. I see, okay, let me bring I see a triangular head. I see a triangular head coming. Where is the Ain?
Ain.
Yeah, you are correct. It's right here. Oh, no, I should not get stuck. Yes, Sophia, there's another triangular head coming. Ain is coming again. Where is it? Ain. That's right. Okay, so these were the Ains you found. Okay, so Ain and Ghain hide in the same way. Come on, Sophia. There should be another Ain hiding. Sophia,
Ain.
well, this one is not Ain, okay? Because it cannot be so small. This is a Hamza, this is another letter. But the triangular head is coming, Sophia. Where is it?
Ain.
Ain. Okay, good job. Okay, very nice. So Sophia, sometimes the Ain can also hide from the head. Okay, it's not putting its head down, but it's just hiding from the head. Let's go find that kind of Ain. Okay, don't let your Ain get stuck, Sophia. Sophia, first find me triangular head. Where's the triangular head? Coming, Sophia, save it.
Ain.
Ain. Okay, Sophia, save it. Another Ain. It's coming right here. Save it.
Ain.
Ain. Okay, good job. Okay, so this is how you find these letters. Okay, so I am going to do this. Okay, and I'm going to, so mashallah, today we saw Dod, letter Ba, letter Ain, I didn't want it to find Ghain, but I couldn't find the letter Ghain, okay? Maybe I find it somewhere. Okay, come on. I could not find letter Ghain. So, but Ghain is a very, oh, I found it. Look, Sophia. We are almost done, Sophia, but let me quickly show you the letter Ghain. I found it. So this is Ain, and this one is Ghain.